Hello, my name is Taylor Davis with Davis Automotive Group. Wanted to take an opportunity to walk you through the dealership, show you some of the improvements we're going to be making, which I know was sort of discussed in an email sent out to a lot of our customers, and the sort of overview is also posted on our website as well. So if you didn't end up getting that, feel free to read through and sort of learn a little bit about what we're doing. But I wanted to just show you, exactly what we're going to be doing. So why don't you follow me? Obviously, with everything going on, we are, doing our best to keep you safe and keep all of our employees safe. So masks are mandatory per the, order issued by Governor DeWine. So if you are going to come by and see us, we'd obviously love you to come. Please wear face protection. But also, if you don't have that, we have some available for you as well. Come on. This is actually going to be the last phase of what we're doing. Our hope is that everything is going to be completed by, probably mid next year at the latest. But what we're going to be doing in the showroom is going to be a complete renovation, that will go with BMW standards. We have to update our showroom every so often. We love how it looks now, but we think it can look even better, and we're excited for you to see it. Come on. We've been doing a lot of work on our service department. It was definitely very nice before, but we felt that it needed a refresh. It was definitely darker before. I'm not sure if you, have ever walked back here, but what we did is repainted all the walls. We have new energy efficient LED lighting, and this tile, which is BMW specified tile. It comes over from Germany. They ship it directly from Germany. So we're done with phase one of the shop, and this is actually the other side of the shop that's still under construction. So what you can see is that they're laying down the tile now. We've already finished the painting, the LED lighting, and we're anticipating this should be done in probably about a week or two, which we're very excited to get back up to full strength because as you can see, we're at about half capacity right now. And so now what we're going to go do is we're going to check out another phase of our construction. Is we're going to go look at the car wash. So now we come to the car wash bay. As you can see, there's no more car wash. The team over at Broadway Car Wash has done an unbelievable job. They're the one installing our new system and pulling all of our old stuff out. So you can see it's pretty bare at the moment. We wanted to update our car wash because we feel we owe it to you, the customer, to deliver your car back to you, obviously flawless, looking great. But then also, if you have purchased your car from us, we do offer courtesy washes. And we wanted, your car to look as good as possible when you bring it here. So what we're going to be doing is stripping the floor, having an epoxy coating here so the chemicals don't affect it, epoxy coatings on the walls, new LED lighting, a brand new car wash with foam pads, so it won't, no risk of scratching your car, anything like that, with wheel blasters included, so it'll get all the dirt, grease, grime off your car. The whole car is going to be washed with a spot-free water system, so no water spots. Even if our dryers don't get your car perfectly dry, there'll be no water spots from the water left behind. We're going to be using, chemicals that are obviously approved, non-harsh, and hopefully, will result in a really good product, for you, the customer, and your car is going to be looking good. So one other thing I wanted to update you on is that while the car wash is done, you may be wondering how are we getting your service cars as well as courtesy washes clean. This is how we're going back to the old school, doing hand washing. Obviously using the same products. Justin and Jack are doing a great job here, making sure to use, non-abrasive chemicals on your car. Still vacuuming them, so, the quality should be, as it was before with the car wash, so let us know if there are any issues. But this is what we're going to be doing for the time being. So if it's taking a little longer to get your courtesy wash, this is why. So we appreciate your patience. So while I had the opportunity to, be on camera, I also wanted to show, some of the things that we're doing to try and protect you and keep you safe during these crazy times. So one thing we're doing is when somebody brings a car in, any customer brings their car in, before our staff touch it or work on it at all, what we actually do is we sanitize it using a botanical solution straight from BMW. And so what we do is we sanitize all the touch points. So Ryan's helping us out here. Thanks, Ryan. So what we're doing is we're sanitizing the outdoor door handle, the indoor door handle, steering wheel, and then in addition to that, we sanitize the gear shift as well. So basically any touch points, we make sure to sanitize to keep our technicians safe, our courtesy staff safe, but then also you safe as well. And in addition to the sanitizing that Ryan just helped us out with, we also are putting protective plastic on both the steering wheel and the seats. So this just goes around the steering wheel like so. And then this goes on the seat. So basically, the end goal is that your entire interior is protected, sanitized, and then this steering wheel cover will remain on your car until it is delivered back to you. So anybody that's driving your car, moving your car around, taking it, to go get washed, it's making sure that they're not actually touching your steering wheel. And then this stays on the seat as well the entire time. So you may be thinking, while we're sanitizing customer cars, what happens if I'm driving a loaner? How am I sure that that's been sanitized? What we do when a loaner comes back in is we take it, wash it, vacuum it out, make sure it's clean, and then do the exact same sanitizing steps that we did on the customer car. So we make sure that you're safe, any sort of bacteria, anything that was in the car is neutralized, and we do the same obviously on all the touch points, the seats, the screen, everything you would touch to make sure that it's safe. That concludes our little tour of our facility here today. Just wanted to share with you obviously what we're doing and what the future is going to look like. So I hope it was informative. I hope you feel comfortable coming here, because we are taking every step to keep, like I said, you, the customer, and all of our employees safe. That's obviously the #1 priority right now. So yeah, please come by, see us, give us a call if you need anything at all, and we hope to see you soon. Thank you.